Learn about Windows PowerShell. PowerShell is an automation solution that consists of a command line shell, a scripting language, and a configuration management framework. Command line shell, Windows. PowerShell superseded the Windows command line interface and the limited functionality of its batch file scripting language. PowerShell accepts and returns .NET objects and includes a command line history, tab completion and prediction, support for command and parameter aliases, chaining commands that use the pipeline feature, and a robust in-console help system. Initially, Windows PowerShell was a platform built on the .NET framework and only worked on Windows operating systems. However, with its recent releases, PowerShell uses the .NET Core and can run on Windows, macOS, and Linux platforms. Due to their multi-platform support, these recent releases are referred to as PowerShell rather than Windows PowerShell. PowerShell is a scripting language whose main functionality comes from commands. Commands include cmdlets, functions, filters, scripts, applications, configurations, and workflows. These are building blocks pieced together using PowerShell scripting for complex admin solutions, or run commands directly in the PowerShell console, the CLI, for single tasks. Commandlets use a verb-noun naming convention, making them intuitive. For example, get command lists all cmdlets and functions in the shell. The verb identifies the action, the noun, the resource. Microsoft Server apps and cloud services provide specialized cmdlets to manage them. Some features require PowerShell, underscoring its IT role. Even GUIs often rely on PowerShell for backend features. PowerShell incorporates the desired state configuration, or DSC, a powerful management framework. DSC enables you to manage enterprise infrastructure with code, ensuring repeatable deployments through declarative configurations and scripts. It enforces configuration settings and identifies any drift from standard requirements, maintaining system integrity. DSC supports both push and pull models for deploying configuration settings, offering flexibility in your IT operations. This consistency means you can quickly apply lessons learned and reuse automation scripts across various applications. As you learn about PowerShell, it's important to understand the various versions you might encounter. There are two main PowerShell platforms, Windows PowerShell and the cross-platform PowerShell, originally known as PowerShell Core. Windows PowerShell is Windows only, built on the .NET framework, while PowerShell 7 Plus is open source, cross-platform, and built on .NET Core. Windows PowerShell is available exclusively for the Windows OS, a powerful tool for IT professionals and developers. PowerShell 1.0 was introduced in 2006, installable on Windows XP Service Pack 2, Server 2003 Service Pack 1, and Windows Vista. By 2009, PowerShell 2.0 was integrated into Windows 7 and Windows Server 2008 R2, continuing its evolution. PowerShell Core 6.0, released in 2018, introduced multi-platform support for macOS and Linux. PowerShell 7.5 is available via Microsoft Update, separate from Windows PowerShell. Run supported commands in either environment for developer and IT flexibility. Licensed under Microsoft paid support, enterprise agreements, software assurance, and community support. PowerShell is Microsoft's powerful task automation and configuration framework for IT professionals and developers. Originally Windows only, it became open source and cross-platform in 2016, running on Windows, macOS, and Linux. It has Windows PowerShell on .NET Framework and PowerShell 7 Plus on .NET Core.NET. Version 1.0 launched in November 2006 with command line and scripting for administration. PowerShell 2.0 in August 2009 added remote management, background jobs, and modules. Windows PowerShell 3.0 with Windows 8 in 2012 brought workflows, simplified syntax, and better remoting. Version 4.0 in 2013 introduced desired state configuration for configurations. PowerShell 5.1 in 2016 was the last major Windows PowerShell in Windows 10 Anniversary Update. PowerShell Core 6.0 in 2018 was the first cross-platform version on .NET Core. PowerShell 7.0 in 2020 aims to replace 5.1 with better compatibility and parallel processing. Recent 7.4 and 7.5 use .NET 8 and 9 following modern lifecycle policy. Many semblets work on Windows PowerShell 5.1 and 7.5 with compatibility in 7. PowerShell evolves for automation across platforms, stay updated with releases,